as you are, after all this time, I am free! Winslow, we have to go. What have I told you about wandering off?
I think you should give that back, Cassie.
No, I'm afraid not. I'll give you one thing. You are incredibly tenacious. That's netherrack, Jesse. It stays on fire forever. Well, Winslow, that's the last of the obstacles. We're finally going home. Come on, Winslow. Winslow, come on. Down with the love. You know I love you, but you look very tired sometimes.
Hey, cats suck!
What did you say?
You heard me, cats suck. Pigs are way cooler.
I don't know what you're playing at, but I'm bored with it.
What's going... Ah! I got it! Excellent! I did it!
You're all tired now.
No thank you! Got it!
I bet you're real proud of yourself. Look at me, stuck again, out of Enderpearls.
And that's where she wanted us to end up.
Trapped in my own trap. Of course.
I'm really sorry it had to be this way, Cassie. I wish it could have gone differently.
Me too. Wait, at least don't leave me here all alone. Give me my cat. My dear sweet Winslow. He's my best, my only friend. Please.
Here, kitty. Here, you pain in the butt, kitty.
Ah, there you are, Winslow. Who loves you? Come to Master. Oh, there you are. There you are. You and me are together forever, just like it was always meant to be. Trapped together forever. Just me and my little Winslow.
Wow, so she kept the real portal hidden down here all this time.
Unless this one is a trap, too.
I don't know if even she'd be that paranoid.
Only one way to find out.
Good sign so far.
Yeah, no trick floors or arrows or anything.
Okay, sure. But who's going first?
We're a team, we all go together. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Adventure!
Nu labi, tā, es nesaprotu, kas te tikko notika, kad ir viena izvēle tikai, kur es atļāvu White Pumpkinam paņemt viņa kaki atpakaļ. Jokaini, ka nerāda visas izvēles. Paskatīsimies, ja refreshosim tūlītās. Ok, visi, mēs esam atpakaļ, un es tikko pabeidzu epizodu 6. Mēģināsim refreshot. Es paliku kluss, lai jūs varat dzirdēt viss, kas notiek tur. Jā, ceru un jā, nekas jokaini. Bet labi, paldies, ka izskatieties epizodes 6 Minecraft Story Mode. A Portal to Mystery. Bija ļoti laba epizode, man patika, kur ielika šos youtuberus. Stampy, Dan TDM, man liekas, tas bija. Es nevaru atcerēties, tā ļoti. Jā, paldies, ka skatījāties. Es izlaiku skipošu tos kreditus. Nav tik vienkārši viņus skatīties. Tagad klusāk es pagriezīšu, lai jums ausis nesprākst. Ok, paskatāmies. Ne grafiks, protams, ka ne. Ko es varu pazies, man tas izvēlas? Es esmu šitī, jā? What? Nē. Ko es delete? No. Nākamā epizode mums būs ir epizode 7 Access Denied. Jā, mēs gaidīsim epizode 7, man liekas, ka iznāks 12., 19. vai 26. man liekas. Tas ir otrdienas, 26. man liekas, ka ir otrdiena. Vēl 2 epizodes, epizode 7 un epizode 8. Es zinu, saka šito vampīru, man vajag pirkt. Man nav, es nelietošu naudu. Jā, kur bija epizode 6, mēs tikko izpildījām. Jā, paldies, ka skatījāties un uz redzēšanos. Goodbye, до свидания, un uz, jā, tā.